Slavery and the Constitution. Some states make slavery illegal. 1. It is 1783. The American Revolution has ended. The 13 colonies are now 13 American states free from British rule. 2. After the Revolution, some Americans wanted an end to slavery. The state of Pennsylvania made slavery illegal in 1780. Other parts of the country soon followed. In 1787, slavery was made illegal in the Northwest Territory. The Northwest Territory was a special part of America. The Northwest Territory included land north and west of the Ohio River. Later, that land would become 5 states: Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, and Wisconsin. The Constitutional Convention. 3. Slavery was one of many problems for the new country, now called the United States, U.S. There was another big problem. Americans had to choose a new government. The government needed new laws. 4. In 1787, American leaders met in Philadelphia. The leaders there wrote the Constitution. A constitution is a set of laws. The laws tell how the government of a country will be run. The meeting in Philadelphia was called the Constitutional Convention. The people at the meeting were called delegates. The South wants rules on slavery. 5. A few delegates to the convention hoped to end slavery. But delegates from the South wanted slavery to continue. The Southern delegates wanted 3 rules about slavery in the U.S. Constitution. 6. First, the African slave trade should continue. Second, all slaves who ran away should be returned to their owners. Third, 5 slaves should be counted when figuring out how many people lived in a state. This would increase the number of Southern delegates in the new U.S. Congress, the lawmaking part of the government. Delegates compromise on slavery. 7. The delegates at the Constitutional Convention could not totally agree. So the delegates on both sides had to compromise, or give in a little. The delegates compromised about slavery in 3 important ways. 8. First, the African slave trade could go on for another 20 years. Second, no slave could become free by running away to another state. Third, 5 slaves would count as 3 white people. This count would be used to figure the number of state delegates. Slavery continues in America. 9. Many delegates thought each state should decide about slavery for itself. Also, some delegates thought slaves were property. They thought that no one should take away another person's property. 10. Most important, many delegates saw the danger of a fight over slavery. This would not be good for the new country. Ideas about ending slavery were put aside. Slavery would continue in America.